Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 2, Part A. The scale drawing shows the positions of two villages, P and Q. The scale is 1 centimetre represents 0.5 kilometres. Find the actual distance between village P and village Q. The first thing we do is measure the distance between P and Q on the diagram using a ruler. Although 1 millimetre plus or minus is allowed, but we should be very careful while measuring the distance. It's approximately 9 centimetres. According to given scale of the diagram, 1 centimetre represents 0.5 kilometres. Now, to convert the measured distance in centimetres to kilometres as per the scale, we shall multiply it with the scale factor. So 9 multiplied by 0.5 results into 4.5. So our answer is 4.5 kilometres. Great! We have solved the question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.